What's going on, everyone? I'm here back in Hong Kong at Jordan. I'm staying at the Novotel hotels here in Jordan, down Kowloon side of Hong Kong. And I know you guys love seeing the reviews of my room stuff, so let's go check out this room that I got. Alright, so here's the front door. As soon as you come in, that's normal, that's standard. Here's your closet, and of course you can move the door back and forth. Alright, stand comes with hangers, extra pillows up there if that focus good. Closet space, iron for laundry, pair of indoor slippers, safe, and shoe shine service that is complimentary, seems like. So this door here has like a dual purpose. It runs between the closing the closet and also the entrance of the bathroom. So if you're in here taking a crap, you slip this cross and this will stay open. So keep that in mind, okay? Alright, so that's closed, closet's closed. Into the bathroom we go. We have stuff to hang up our clothes and whatnot. Here's a shower outlet. You have glass door, right? Glass door, and of course, I just showed you the shower. Drain, very standard Hong Kong. Nice small isolation here with glass. Toilet, towels, the elements. It comes with free toothbrush, vanity set. I want to see, what is this here? Shampoo, shower gel, conditioner, and yeah, I just used one of the glasses to brush my teeth. I just came off of the planes, so. Also a natural soap here, a little bit of whatever quality water in the face basin, and I do believe here somewhere is, there you go, a blower, toilet paper, 110 socket and 220 socket, so that's very nice. A little mirror there, and a huge ass mirror right here. Alright, moving on. As you step out to the right, you have a little place you can check yourself before you go out. And on the right, we have a fridge. Yes, we do have a fridge. Some stuff in here, and we do have some other stuff in here that we could also use from the minibar. Now, I don't think everything here is free because normally this wouldn't be existing. So you would put down here the prices for what you use. Please don't get alarmed about the pricing. That's all Hong Kong dollars, okay? Alright, so pure water, condoms. We got potato chips, jasmine tea, very standard stuff, and kettle. And we have water. These are for free because I see no pricing on them, and this is for 59 Hong Kong dollars. The Evian, sorry. And inside of here, put you down for a minute. Inside of here is something very neat. Comes with a universal adapter. Now, some of you might be coming from a lot of different countries, so you got adapters for everything in the back here. Very nice, very thoughtful of Novotel on their behalf. I find that was very nice. Moving on, we have a king size bed, and we do have a remote control sitting next to the bed. We do have a standard telephone. I do believe this is lights, but I don't know how to operate them yet. We do have, yeah, this is all my luggage, television, very standard. And this is the rest of the room. That's it. Not much. The air is up there. We're in the older part of Hong Kong. This is Jordan, as I said, the Novotel in Jordan. And this is the view. A lot of old houses. Okay, and you do have some people living there and stuff like that. I don't really want to continue filming them because some of them have their windows open and I don't want to see no naked people right now. So that was the king size room at the Novotel in Jordan, Hong Kong. I am tired. I'm gonna get to bed. Can't even think straight. Well, that was a lovely night. So far, the bed was tremendously, I want to say amazing, not tremendous. It was good. The bed was very good. As you can see from my hair, I just woke up. And also, I do have to admit I was missing some shavers for me to shave, and I didn't really want to go out and get shavers at the time. And I said, you know, well, I thought, why not just call the reception and see if they could point out where exactly I could get, or if they could bring for me. And guess what? They brought one for me. Housekeeping just brought up one free of charge. So yeah, that kind of surprised me. I'm really happy with the service. It was very quiet. Just one instance where a kid was crying this morning, but that was in the hallway. That can't be avoided. I would highly suggest the hotel. Come and check this place out. The pricing was very good. Again, I've booked it through Expedia. So yeah, come and check this hotel out. Highly recommend it. 2 thumbs up. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys in the next review video. Bye.